Hello, welcome to this video. Before we start, if video content was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Thank you. Today we are going to talk about gizmos in the Blender. Gizmo. This is Gizmo. Okay? And talk about and navigate. With the nav, you can move, rotate in scene or viewport with this navigate, and this is your viewport. Or you can zoom in and zoom out with hold left mouse button on it, or pan, or see camera view, or you can switch between perspective and orthographic and perspective. And what is the shortcut? For rotate viewport, hold middle mouse button. For panning, hold shift and middle mouse button. For zoom in and out, hold control and middle mouse button. Okay. Active tool and active object. These two options are similar. So you see, or turn on or off the gizmo, and or for tools. Object gizmo. And what is this? This is a type of the gizmo, for example. You see, I want gizmo according to view. You see, according to view. Or I want according to cursor, 3D cursor in the center. Or I want a local. I rotate, okay, and see gizmo is according to position of the object, because it's a local or normal or global or world. There is another shortcut for moving or transformation of the object. When you press G and move your object, you can use three keys: Z, X, and Y. These are axes. I want to move on Z axis or X or Y. X or Y or Z. For rotate, press R. You see? Or again, Z, Z, X, and Y. If you want to have a more accurate movement, rotate, or scale, we need use shift. How do that? First, you move your object, see, and then press shift. You see?
Select tweak.
You can see active, you can active scale, rotate, or moving. The next section is empty image, and first it's about image plan and the simulation in the Blender, the light, size or look at, create a spotlight, a blue arrow, and look at is a yellow circle. See? blue arrow for size, and a yellow circle for look at. And the camera. Press dot. Press dot. The yellow is the lens. You see? Okay, this part is over, and the next video I want to talk about overlay in the Blender. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.